Classic with whipping cream and 4 packets of stevia. And they actually replaced the iced coffee with cold brew because, why am I not focused? Because they ran out of iced coffee, I guess. So watch out, I got a Trenta cold brew. Oh no. And then I was like kind of annoyed, and nothing that I should have been annoyed with, but it's Shark Week, and so I think I was just annoyed, and plus I didn't have any coffee yet. Like, my oldest son had asked me to get him that Pokemon Go drink, and so she asked if I wanted anything else, and I said yes. Do you guys still have the Pokemon Go drink? Now mind you, I don't know how all Starbucks are built, but this one, like, the speaker is extremely loud, and she's like, I'm sorry, what? Like, really loud, and I'm like, and I said it louder back, and I'm like, do you still have the Pokemon Go drink? And again, she's like, coconut milk? And I'm like, no ma'am, do you still have the Pokemon Go drink? It's a pink drink. It was with the Pokemon Go when it first came out. We used to get it all the time. I'm sorry, I don't know what you're saying. What are you saying? I said, never mind, it's fine. Don't worry about it. That's it. Well, what was it? No, don't worry about it. That was it. Well, what was it? The Pokemon Go drink. I'm sorry, what? Never mind. Never mind. I mean, oof. And so you would think, I thought to myself, she's going to ask me again when I get to that window. But she didn't. And I'm like, God, thank God, because, and I'm sitting in line, I just text my son, I'm like, I'm sorry, I did not get you the drink because it was too annoying. That's my rant for the day. So I don't know if maybe that's why they gave me the cold brew instead of the iced coffee, because they're like, that girl needs some caffeine. Right, Linky? Man, I was so annoyed I didn't even get Link a pup cup. That's how annoyed I was. But I was still nice. It's not her fault. I still have to be pleasant. I think it's very rude to be mean to people who work in fast food. You should always be nice. I used to work in fast food when I was in my 20s. That's my rant for the day. Today's just going to be kind of like a what I did today, what I ate today type video, because I didn't really record much last week and I need content. So you guys are going to kind of get some Erin does the keto type vlogs. I'll pop in. I'll talk to you. I'll show you what I'm eating. Yeah. Because even my what I ate this week, I didn't get to do that. Because the first part of the week I was doing the egg fast transition. And I don't know where all the videos, I have like 2 videos from last week of what I ate. I don't know where everything went. I don't know what I did all week. This week went by really fast because if you remember, so Monday was Memorial Day, Tuesday I was on vacation, and then actually all week for lunches I am doing the Keto Chow review. So that's, I like left myself with no content for one whole video pretty much. So that video's gone. So I'm just gonna like do a couple of these. Hope you like them. If you don't, I'm sorry. Next week, I'll try to get back to my regular scheduled programming. Can't believe today's Sunday already. It went by really fast. I gotta catch up on some YouTube videos. All you guys that have channels out there, catch up on all of you. I don't have anything planned. It stormed last night. I'll probably take Link for a W today because it was so rainy yesterday. So I couldn't, yes, I have to say W because he knows and he'll freak out. He's already freaking out. Like, we're home. Why aren't we getting out of the car? My Bones coffee order that I ordered isn't going to be here until Friday. So that sucks. It's going to take a whole freaking week to get here. I'm not happy about that, but what can you do? I'd say I should go check my P.O. box, but who are we kidding? I'm going to cancel that. I don't get anything there. All right, I'll see you guys in a little while. Ooh, there's a little green bug. You see it? Look at it. You could see it. I could see it. Okay, bye. So this is my lunch. It is 2 servings of the Polish ham, which is 1 carb for 2 slices. So I have 4 slices, 2 carbs, and then I have 2 servings of mozzarella cheese shredded that I fried in a pan. And yeah, I know it's dark, but it doesn't taste burnt. It's very good. And then I'm just gonna cut this up and eat it. Found this little guy crossing the road, so we walked all the way over to the wetlands to release him. So, feeling a little overfull after that. Really need to start incorporating my walking every day. I've been missing some days. So, take Link for a little walk and just beautiful day, feeling good. Put my shorts on. Guys, I went to like 3 stores today with shorts on, so that's like a huge accomplishment for me. Usually I'll wear shorts at home, no problem, go on walks, but actually going into a store in a tank top or shorts, that's the problem. More people seeing, I don't like it. But I felt very comfortable. I didn't feel like everybody was staring at me. I felt normal. I mean, it's little things like that. You know what I mean? I don't know if I'm sure I can't be the only person out there that feels like this, has these sort of insecurities, these sort of issues. But I just know how good it feels. I just know how good it feels when you get over something like that. It's so freeing. So amazing. I don't know. Feeling really good. Really thankful to be alive. Really thankful for everything that I do have right now. It's a great feeling.